Okay, this video especially for section formula. Section formula means you already know what is the section formula. Section formula 9th standard itself you know how to find out the length of the 2 points that and all. So next, this is the next advanced state. Okay, section formula means you have to find out the coordinate. Section formula means find out the coordinates of x comma y. Find out the coordinates of x comma y is the P point. Okay, which divides the line segment joining the points A x1 comma y1 b x2 comma y2. Okay, internally in the ratio m1 is to m2, or what is the formula? That means x comma y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the formula for using to find out the solution of x comma y, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. What are the given concepts? Given concepts are one point A, the next point is B. Suppose these 2 points, it's dividing, the new point is introducing, means you have to find out that introducing point also. That for that introducing point only you are using this concept, that is the section formula. That means I will given the diagram. Okay, I will given the diagram of the concept, then you can understand easily. Therefore, actually this is x axis, this is your y axis, that is this origin, this is the origin point, this is x axis, x dash, this is y axis, y dash. 9th standard itself you know how to draw a coordinates. Okay, now I am going to create, this is one point R, this is one point S, this is one point T. Okay, just I am joining some points. Okay, just joining some points. This is RS point and this is, okay, so this is the point A, x1 comma y1. This is the point B, x2 comma y2. Suppose you are joining, okay, suppose you are joining, this is the point B. Suppose you are joining this 3 points means. 3 points means. Suppose you are joining this 3 points means. This is the intersection of point. This is A, this is B, this is the intersecting new point called P. This point only you are going to find out using the section formula. How to use it? AB is one line. In between one line, one point is intersecting means you can using the ratio M1 is to M2. You have to find out that point. Correct? Okay. So they are using the point to find out the concept. We already know the concept of x comma y, m1 x2 m2 x1, m1 y2 m2 y1, m1 plus m2 comma m1 plus m2 is the denominator, this is the numerator. So this is the section formula to find out the intermediate point, as well as sometimes they will ask you find out the ratio. Sometimes they will ask you, they will given the one point, they will given the another point you have to find out. Otherwise they will given the parallelogram, quadrilateral, this type of shapes. You have to find out the diagonals using this formula. Now we move on to the concept of example sums. I already did. So directly I move on to the concept of exercise 7.2. Okay, exercise 7.2. First sum. First sum is very clear. Okay, find the coordinates of the point which is divided the line segment joining of 2 points and the ratio is 2:3. Question number 1, they given the A point minus 1 comma 7, B point 4 comma minus 3, and they are given the value. Given is given. Okay, M1 is to M2 is given. The ratio is given 2:3. So all values are here. Find out the solution. X comma y. X comma y is the required point. Okay, x comma y is the required point. You know M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2, comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Okay, so x comma y equal to what is M1? 2 into what is x2? 4 plus what is M2? 3 into minus 1 divided by 2 plus 3, comma what is M1? 2 into what is y2? Minus 3 plus what is M2? 3 into 7 divided by 2 plus 3. Okay, so x comma y equal to 8 minus 3 divided by 5, comma minus 6 plus 21 divided by 5. So x comma y equal to 5 divided by 5, comma okay, 21 minus 6 is 21 minus 6 is, so 5 by 5, comma minus 21 plus 21 minus 6, the answer is plus 15 divided by 5. So what is the x comma y value? X comma y value equal to 1 comma 5, 5 cancel because 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5 threes are 15. So therefore the required point of x comma y equal to 1 comma 3. That's all. The first sum is over. Question number 2. Question number 2. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 minus 2 comma minus 3. Here they are given the int trisection. Trisection means what? Actually a point is given. What is the a point? 4 comma minus 1. B point is given. Minus 2 comma minus 3 given. Trisection means this is the line segment. This is A, this is B. They are splitting the points equally. This is P, this is Q. Equally they are splitting the points. So now tell me, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Example, the point is in between line segment, the distance is 1, 1, 1. So now tell me, what is the ratio of, first find out the ratio of point P. What is the ratio of point P? 1:2. Ratio of point P is 1:2. Now you can use the section formula for the P. P is x comma y. P equal to x comma y equal to, what is the formula? M1 x2. What is M1? 1. 1 into x2 is minus 2 plus m2 is 2. 2 into x1 is 4 divided by 1 plus 2 comma. What is m1? 1 into what is y2? Minus 3 plus what is m2? 2 into what is y1? Minus 1 into divided by 1 plus 2. Okay. P equal to x comma y equal to, P equal to x comma y equal to, what is the general form? What is the 2 into minus 1? Minus 2 plus 8 divided by 3 comma minus 3 minus 2 divided by 3. So what is the P value? P equal to x comma y into minus 5, minus 2 plus 8 is plus 6 by 3 comma minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 by 3 equal to 3 2s are 6 comma minus 5 by 3. The required point P equal to 2 comma minus 5 by 3. The required point P equal to 2 comma minus 5 by 3. As it is, you have to find out the Q required point. What is the q required point? What is the ratio for q? What is the ratio for q? 1 plus 1 2. 2 is to 1 is the ratio for q. So ratio of point q equal to 2 is to 1. Same formula apply. Q equal to x comma y equal to same. What is m1 here? 2. What is m1 here? 2. 2 into what is x2? Minus 2 plus 1 into what is x1? 4 divided by 2 plus 1 comma what is m1? 2. 2 into what is y2? Minus 3 plus 1 into y1 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So q equal to x comma y equal to minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3 comma minus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. So q equal to x comma y equal to 0 by 3 comma minus 7 by 3 equal to 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So therefore the required point of q equal to 0 comma minus 7 by 3 is the answer. So now the concept of section formula, okay, basic sum and the trisection concept is over. Okay.